What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the photos disappearing issue on your Redmi 13. So to fix this issue, first of all check hidden files. So to check that, open file manager. Now here go to the storage tab and tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on settings and here you will see a show hidden files button. So turn on this button, and after turning on this button you will be able to view the hidden files in your phone. So if you have hidden the photos by mistake, then you will be able to find them by turning on this button. But if you are still facing issue while finding the disappeared images, then the next solution is check recycle bin. So to check that, open gallery. Now go to the albums tab and then scroll down and tap on deleted items. Now here you will find all of your deleted images. So if you have deleted some images by mistake and now you want to find them, so you can find them in this folder. So to restore images, tap and hold on the image and then tap on restore. So that's how you can find the disappeared photos on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.